Hello guys, I welcome you all to tonight's video. It's another beautiful opportunity for us to be together again. It is the time for the $500 trading tips for trading boom and crash, where we usually analyze the market together, check out the market direction, and of course I always use it as an opportunity to give us trading tips whenever we are trading. Okay, and of course we will be having another edition of it again tonight, but before we go fully into it, in case you are joining me for the first time, I welcome you all to Qora detectorK. This is a platform which I used to share with you my ideas on how you can make some cool cash for yourself online, most especially within the forex niche. All you need to do is just for you to take some time to browse through the channel, watch my training videos, make sure you understand every part of the strategies shared there, and do your own personal research. I mean, you should practice very well on your demo account before trying it out on your real account. This is very important. And if you love my videos, can you give me thumbs up and share with families and friends? And if you are yet to subscribe to this channel, kindly do so right away so that you can be notified whenever I upload a training video like this. Okay, so quickly we will be going straight into what we have right here. But before I go fully into it, in case you are joining me for the first time and you are yet to subscribe to this channel, can you do so right away? So these are the assets that we'll be checking out. Everything I will be doing in this video is going to be based on my own personal analysis, trading tools, and the exact time frame I will be using. The performance also depends on when you are seeing this video. If you're not joining me live and direct, then you will have to have a recheck on the charts before you go into it fully. And if you love my videos, can you give me thumbs up and share with families and friends? And if you are yet to subscribe to this channel, kindly do so right away so that you can be notified whenever I upload a training video like this. Okay guys, quickly let's go straight into what we have right here. So we will be starting with boom 1000. So this is boom 1000. I'm on 5-minute time frame using the 3M trend Mioka trading indicator. Okay, this actually started an uptrend from here but was unable to go above this resistance zone. I had a pullback to try out the support zone again, and of course it was still unable to break out below it, and of course it started buying right from there, range around there for a while, but broke out to get to this resistance zone. This is still buying at the moment, but if it's unable to break out above this resistance zone, then it will go back on a sell trend. Okay, so this is still buying, might not be for a very long time because of that resistance zone. Okay, so the next asset is going to be boom 500. Let's check it out together. This is boom 500. It started an uptrend from this support zone. You can see the yellow flag, and of course it kept on buying until it got to this resistance zone, but it was unable to go above that, so it started a downtrend. That is why you are seeing the red flag and the red arrow. So till it got to this support zone, had a pullback and went back down to break out below it, and it is still selling at the moment. Okay, so this is very important. Okay, so the next asset is going to be crash 1000. Let's check it out right away. This is crash 1000. Right from the resistance zone, it started a downtrend. You can see the red flag, you can see the red arrow, and of course all this signifies a downtrend and a sell signal. Okay, so it started selling right from there and kept on selling until it got to this support zone, and of course this is still on downtrend selling. This might not be for a very long time if it does not break out from that support zone, so we need to take note of that. Next asset is going to be crash 500. So this is crash 500, and of course I'm just going to add my trading tool to it so that we can easily analyze it better. Okay, so let's see how it goes, guys. Okay, this is it, guys. This had been an uptrend. You can see the movement, even though it's not that smooth, but it's more of an uptrend than a downtrend. Got to the resistance and was unable to go above that, so it started selling right from there. So this is going to be giving us more of a selling opportunity than a buying opportunity. The last asset is going to be V75. Okay guys, this is V75, and of course from this support zone, this started an uptrend. You can see the yellow flag, and it kept on buying until it got to this resistance zone. It has not been able to break out above this. Had a pullback, and of course I'm trying to sell for a while. If it's done with that, then it will go back into the buy trend to see if it will break out above this resistance zone. Okay, but if it's unable to break out above that, once it breaks out below this support zone, then it's going to sell more. Okay, so we expect this to still buy more, except if it's unable to break out above the resistance zone, and of course it breaks out below this support zone, then definitely it's going to sell more. So you should understand that. Okay, so these are all that we are able to come up with tonight. All you just need to do is just for you to understand every part of the analysis and apply them carefully whenever you are trading. For those of you who are yet to subscribe to this channel, kindly do so in order for you to learn more. I will be stopping right here. Remember, this is coming to you courtesy Qora Digital Cash, and if you have any question at all, feel free to contact me. My contact details are in the description box below this video, and if you are yet to subscribe to this channel, kindly do so right away. Watch out for my next video. Until then, God bless you.